Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A18 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Then let's find the date and time. And as you can see, here we've got some options which are inactive. We basically cannot tap on them and customize because we are using the automatically set time and the time zone. So first of all, let's turn off both of those options, both of those switchers, and now we can freely tap on date, for example, and change the date just by swiping. The same situation with the time, it will be also immediately applied to the status bar. We can change the time zone, just tap on it, and here we've got some regions from which we can choose, so you can simply find the one you'd like to use and tap on it, like this one for example. Of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here we've got the time format, so we can use either 24-hour one, which is currently applied, or 12-hour or 12-hour format. It's up to you basically. Okay, it can be AM, that's okay. Alright, here we've got also the dual clock option, thanks to which we can display two different clocks, the one with your usual residence and the other from any other place on the world, or which is connected with your location, so basically current location, of course. So basically it's up to you if you want to use it or not. If you want to, you can always set the time and the time zone automatically again just by tapping on those switchers. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.